Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the connecting the dots. That is 2.3, page number 62. In previous video, we already discussed about the writer Steve Jobs. Now we know who is Steve Jobs and how great this person is. Also, I told you that this connecting the dots which is in your syllabus is actually a speech given by Steve Jobs in one of the graduation ceremony of a college, right? Now this story is given in the form of a narration, understood? So let us see how he has narrated this speech to you. Come to page number 62 and see the lines. Today I want to tell you three stories from my life. That's it. Just three stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. Now he says today, actually he is giving the speech. Okay, try to understand this. Just visualize he is standing on in front of a dais and he is addressing to the big crowd. So he says today I am going to tell you the three stories of my life, and he says that's it. These three stories is my life. Okay. The first story is about connecting the dots. Now what is this first story and what is connecting the dots? Let us see. He said, I dropped out of Reeds College after first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I really quit. Now see, Steve Jobs, who is a pioneer of microcomputers, who is what we can say industrial designer, who is considered as a chairman, CEO, founder of Apple Incorporation. He was a dropout from the college, as he said. Understood? Means what? See, he says I drop out from Reeds College. That too after first 6 months. I hope you did not understand the meaning of this. Now what is meant by dropout? Let me explain you first. Now see, in India there is in maybe in US it is called as dropout. In India we have a system called ATKT. Now what is this ATKT? Let me explain you. Just imagine that you are in 10th standard and due to some reason, any reason, means either your subject is not you are not good in subject, or any reason you would not able to give exam or anything. If you would not able to complete, or you would not able to pass out your 10th standard, say example, you left one subject, means you are fail in one subject in 10th standard. Now what happened in such condition? Now government has given this facility to 11th standard also. You can take admission in 11th standard, that is called as ATKT. But while taking admission in 10th 11th standard, you are in ATKT, means in a given time you have to pass the exam of 10th standard which you left with, or you have to pass the subject which you left in 10th standard. Getting? Means, and at the same time you can attend the classes of 11th standard. Means what will happen, say for example in July, if your result is declared and you are failed in one subject, now what will you do? You will take admission in 11th standard. Okay, at the same time you will fill the form for supplementary of 10th standard. Now once college of 11th standard will start, you will start going in 11th standard. Okay, you will start attending the periods of 11th standard, but in a given duration one exam would be conducted by the board and you will have to pass the subject which is left in 10th standard. If you will pass that subject, then you will be continue with the 11th standard, and you will be able to give the exam of 11th standard. Okay, but if you will fail, means after giving the exam for 10th standard, again in supplementary also if you will fail, then your admission in 11th standard would be as it is. That means you will be failing 11th also, and you will be failing 10th standard also. When you will pass out that subject from 10th standard, then you can continue with the exam of 11th, and then you can go in 12th. Understood? This is called as ATKT and the dropout. So Steve Jobs, great Steve Jobs, he was also a dropout from his college, and he was taking education in Reed's college. And after first 6 months, means when in very first semester, when semester started, he was not able to pass out all the subjects, and he left 2 3 subjects maybe, and that's why he was dropped out from the college. Means he was not expelled from the college, but he was not able to give the exam of the next class, though he was able to attend the classes of next class. Understood? Okay. So that is what he is saying ki, I was studying in Reed's college and I was drop out, and then for 18 months, by the time I was giving that exam of first semester, and I was not able to pass the exam of first semester, in all these things he spent 18 months. So for this 18 months, I regularly used to go in the college, and I used to attend the classes for different next class, and also I was preparing from the for the subjects that was back. Okay. And he says I was doing all this for 18 months, and after 18 months I really quit the college, because I felt whatever education I wanted to take from the college, I was not getting that, or I would not able to pass that exams and everything from the college, maybe whatever the reason, it is not given. But for 18 months he was continuing going in the college, and after that he left the college. Now looking back, it was one of the best decision I ever made. What is this? Looking back, that was the best decision I ever made. I could stop taking the required classes that didn't interest me, and been dropping on the ones that looked interesting. What does it mean now? He said, when I took admission in that particular course, whatever course it was, it may be engineering or whatever course. At that time, I went in the classes, or I attended the classes for 6 months, and I was fail. Why I became fail, or why I would not able to pass the exam? Because there were some subjects were there which were not interesting to me, and I had to study that subjects also along with the subjects which I used to like. I had to attend, or I had to pass that subjects also which was not interesting to me, which मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता था जो subject. For example, now I would like to give, in the education system almost all over the world, I hope, is like you have to accept the course in a group. For example, now you are giving 10th standard. Just imagine you are not at all interested in history, or in geography, or in Marathi, or in Hindi, or maths, okay, or science, any subjects. But is there option to you that you can choose your subject? No, I don't want to I don't want to study maths, I don't want to study English, I don't want to study history. Is there option to you? No. Yes or no? There is no option to you. So courses comes in a group, we can see, and that is what he says ki in that what I had to do, I had to attend the classes, I had to study the things which was not interesting to me. समझ में आया? मतलब ये बोलना चाहते कि जो सब्जेक्ट मुझे पसंद नहीं थे वो भी मुझे पढ़ने पड़ते थे, और मुझे बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, ना ही मैं इसको समझ पाता था, ना ही इसको पढ़ पाता था, और इसीलिए मैं फेल हो गया था. Okay, then when he became a drop-in for another 18 years in the college, during that time what he used to do, so he used to attend only those classes which he feels interesting. उसको जो अच्छा लगता था वही क्लासेस उसके बाद वो अटेंड करते गया, बाकी ये क्लासेस जो पसंद नहीं थे उसको अटेंड ही नहीं करता था. And he says, looking back, whatever I was doing in the college, looking back, now I am feeling कि I was, that was my best decision of my life. And because of that decision, today I am become Steve Jobs. Otherwise, nobody means knows who is. किसी ने सुना भी नहीं होता कि who is Steve Jobs is. But today everyone knows Steve Jobs because of that decision. Okay. So here let us stop today. Tomorrow we will continue with the remaining lesson. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.